I'm Adam. I haven't done a bike check in a while, so I'm gonna do one right now. First off, got the Fit Inman frame. It's okay, it's pretty nice. Been riding it for about, I don't know, like a month now, I think, and it's pretty good. I like it. S&M pitchforks, the XLT version, so they're tapered and all that good stuff. S&M Redneck XLT stem. Primo Sam Squatch bars, 8.7s by 28. Odyssey Hawk grips, great grips, I love them. Primo N4FL front hub, premium hoop. Odyssey, Odyssey H&P light grub tire. In the middle, got Primo Annihilator 23 tooth, Shadow Interlock calf link, Profile GDH cranks, Premium Slim PCs, S&M seat clamp XLT, sorry, the XLT is stupid, Fit stump post, I think, yeah, Fit stump post, integral seat, and then in the back we got Primo Mix 8 tooth on a Odyssey hazard light, on a, I don't know if you can see it, Aaron Ross tire. And then, last thing, pegs. I got Storm, Cold Forge, I don't know what the fuck they're called, but they're the best pegs ever. I love them. I recommend them. New solo edit coming out tomorrow, or the day after, sometime soon. But I definitely will throw one out. Alright, thanks for watching.